Happy Sunday, everybody. This is Mr. Cater. I'm giving you the intermediate algebra update for this week. This week is kind of an important week, and you'll notice that by what I'm talking about here. The schedule for the week is, if you're in my first hour class, obviously first hour we have a synchronous meeting on Monday and on Thursday, and we have homework 3, and then we have homework 4. Now the homework 4, I'm putting that practice quiz on the Monday or the Wednesday. Some of you think of Wednesday as kind of like a day off. This Wednesday is a day where you're going to want to start or finish that practice test. You could actually do it any one of these days, but it's an important practice test because that practice test needs to be done so that you can then get to the actual quiz. And the quiz starts on Thursday or Friday. So we're going to be doing the second session of the week. We're going to be doing a team quiz with your group. That'll give you good practice. And then you're going to be taking your first summative. That first summative you can take anytime after you've completed the Thursday's class and after you've completed the practice quiz. So once you get that completed, then you can take your first summative, which is due by the following Tuesday. So all of the assignments in Chapter 1 are due by the following Tuesday. Okay, same thing goes for second hour. Second hour, you just have a different schedule. You're meeting on Tuesday, and then you're doing your team quiz on Friday. So in the beginning part of the week, you want to make sure you get homeworks 3 and 4 done so that the later part of the week that you're ready to go with the team quiz that you meet your team with and do that, and then your individual summative, which would be due by the following Tuesday. Something to think about is these are the topics. The topics are graphing points, graphing lines, and then that practice quiz that we talked about. When you get to the summative quiz, here are the key things that you need to know for this. What you need to know is that you get 60 minutes to do it. So as soon as you hit the start button, you better have yourself that 60-minute time frame. You don't get 20 minutes here or 20 minutes there. It's completed in one sitting. So once you hit start, make sure you've got the time to do it. It won't take you that long. I put that much time on it to make sure that you had plenty of time. You do get a second try on the question, so like if you hit submit and it turns green, then you're done with that one. Go to the next one. But if for some reason it turns red or it's wrong, you get one more shot at that question to try to get points back for that. That way we shouldn't have to do a bunch of retakes. We're kind of building that in this distance learning environment so you have an opportunity to fix your mistakes right away. You can use a calculator in the notes. So same thing is, like, these little resource buttons are always there, so use them to your advantage. You will be signing an academic integrity pledge that you're working on this on your own because this is a summative, okay? You have to finish the practice test first, like I already said, otherwise the test won't even open for you, or the quiz, I should say. And then it's available for you anytime on Thursday or Friday, and you've got to complete it by the next Tuesday. We've covered a bunch of that already. All right, your team quiz info. When you get to class and you're going to take the team quiz, there's a little detail that you want to watch out for. That little detail is you're going to probably want to make sure that you select a leader because you only get 3 times to push the submit button, and that could be from anyone in your group. So I would choose one person who's going to be the submitter because then they're going to be like, okay, guys, we think the answer is 7. All agree? Yeah, everyone agrees? Then you would push submit because if you push submit all of you, you've wasted all your tries. So you're going to want to make sure that you're communicating, and we'll go over this once we get to the team quiz on Thursday, Friday, but it's kind of a fun event because you can all work on it together and you all have the same questions. It's a pretty cool activity. It'll get you ready for the real quiz. Okay, next is homework information. Homework information, just as a general heads up, it updates every night between midnight and probably like 2 a.m. Missing assignments turn to zeros on Mondays and Wednesdays. So you can check your campus gradebook. It's up to date every day. You can redo your questions for full credit, before we take the summative. So make sure you get all your homeworks done by the following Tuesday. If you're ever stuck, then you want to watch the videos attached in the question. There's like a little video link down at the bottom of every single homework question. Those are there for you, so please use them. Contact your base group. Contact your teacher, right? Make sure that you're giving full information, what assignment you're working on, what problem number, what class period, screenshot. I'm not able to answer all of the questions that everyone sends, so that's why you need to copy your group on it. And I already started that email process for you, or figure out a way that you guys want to reach out to each other. All the homeworks are due by the 29th. That's next Tuesday. That's homework 1, 2, 3, 4. The team quiz, which you will do in class, and then complete your own quiz on your own at home sometime when you've got a 60-minute time period to do that. So it's a good week because now you can finally show me what you know. We'll be closing everything up, and have a great week. See you tomorrow or Tuesday.